making suhoor or siri for 16 days Ramadan fasting. Now making parathas. Now I will put now milk here. Fresh buffalo milk. I use fresh buffalo. And I have too much extra pakora last night. So I make hot this one. Now I did this one extra last night. Chicken curry or chicken rice. So, and today is March 6. March 6 or March 7. 16 days Ramadan fasting. And today is Friday. Now close fasting. Time check is 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Ayan, may siren na. Tapos sunod azan. For Fajr. Close fasting na. 5:02 pala, not 6:02. Tapos open na naman ng fasting for iftari around past 6 p.m. So almost 13 hours. NPO, nothing by mouth, even water. My today's recipe is apple marrow. So nahugasan ko na ito. Kaya babalatan ko. Ito yung kinuha ko sa baba, organic coriander leaves. Ang bango niya, mabango. Ayan, mabango. Hindi kagaya sa sa market yung binibili, walang amoy. Ito talaga organic, kaya mabango siya. So ito hugasan ko na para mag-prepare na akong magluto for our dinner for 16 days Ramadan fasting. It's cooking time again for our dinner 16 days Ramadan fasting. Now I'll put now this garlic. Unending cooking, walang katapusang pagluluto at walang katapusang gisa-gisa. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put now this turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. To be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. Tomatoes is already based. Now we can put now this apple marrow, or they call it here tinde. So 1 kilogram this one. And then I will add also slices of potatoes. Halo, 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 halo. I will not cook pakora today because I have too much extra yesterday. So I will make today potato chips. But not too much potato chips, enough to eat today or tari. Ito yung simple na fresh fruits. May oranges, may guavas, bananas, sweet melon, and then dates, slices of dates, and then sugar. Nilagyan ko na ng sugar. And then ito yung dinikdik na walnuts, organic walnuts. Lagyan din natin. Then fresh buffalo milk ng nagatas. You can use also commercial evaporated milk. Ayan. Ganito kasimple ang fruit chat or fresh fruit salad. Ayan. Now we can put now toppings. So our viand for 16 days Ramadan is ready, and this is circle maro or tindi curry. Yan. Now we can put all this one. Apple maro or tindi curry is ready, and I have extra yesterday chicken curry, and also I have rice. Fruit chat also is ready, and then next to make is potato chips and chapatis. Frying now chips, potato chips. So I have extra pakoras yesterday. No,